Konbanwa, and good evening, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Naveed Anjum. Today we have been moved to Nagano from Saitama. So we have been residing in Nagano Daiichi Hotel, and we are staying in this hotel. So today, actually tonight, I will be sharing my review about this hotel, that how the room in from the inside looks like and how neat and clean the rooms are. So stay with us, stay tuned. So guys, I am moving in to my room in this hotel, and I will be showing everything inside this small room. It's really a beautiful room. Oh my god, I'm really amazed. So I'll be showing everything individually. So this is the glass mirror, you can say, and just this is a culture of you can say Japanese culture, that when you step in you should change your outside shoes, and you need to wear these indoor shoes. Here you can see some hangers, and this is the attached bath in this room. I'll be showing this attached bath and all the facilities in this attached bath. After I'll be showing you, after I share the views of my room. Here you can see a small mirror. There is yeah, there is a time machine here. This is a watch, digital watch, and here you can see a kettle. Actually, you can drink hot water, you can make some tea. It's okay, it's up to you. And this is a hair dryer. You can see it's just attached to just near this mirror. And this small mini structure, do you know what is this? This is a mini refrigerator. Oh my god. I have seen this mini refrigerator for the very first time. You can see its size is very small. It's just for one person. I'm going to open it. Oh my god. You can put anything inside, some drinks or your food if you have cooked it. So you can put it inside, it's okay. And moving further, this is a small table and this is a small chair for it. I am going to slide it back. It's very nice actually. And if I show you the stuff available here, this is the information book. You can see I'm gonna show you what is inside. This is the accommodation contracts and the detail that when you can step in and when you need to step out and check out. And after checking in and checking out, there are some details about how to get your mails, how to use humidifier. There is also a humidifier, and about breakfast and everything, room cleaning and laundry, everything is available inside here. Some menus for the breakfast and dinners. So this is the information book from this Nagano Daiichi Hotel, which is the name of this hotel where I am staying today. And this is the curtain, double-sided curtain actually. And this is the phone which we can use inside the hotel. And this is the password and for the Wi-Fi. And this is the key. And this is the sanitizer. You can see this is sanitized. Actually the cups, everything here is sanitized. There is also a pencil and a paper if you want to write down something. And if I show you something else, it's fabric refrigerator and a tissue box. It's really nice. It's a mini tissue box, I can say. And moving to the bed, here you can see there is a switch connector. Yeah, here from this switch we can turn on the lights and turn off the lights as well. And this is the bed actually, which I'm gonna show you the blanket over here. Oh my god, it's very neat and clean. Everything here is well furnished. The Japanese style. You can see the night dress over here. This is the tie for the Japanese dress, which I'm gonna wear it tonight. And I'm gonna open it a little bit so that you can see that how this Japanese kind of night dress looks like. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's very beautiful. And Dun-dun-dun, this is the television. If you are feeling bored or if you need to hear some news or want to listen some music, you can use this television. And the most important thing, the refrigerator. The refrigerator is also available in this very well furnished room. And I am now gonna show you the washroom, the inside of the washroom. This is the amazing part actually. So I'm gonna enter, and first of all I would like to show you the commode seat. You can see it's very neat and clean. This is the thing which I wanted to share, that Japanese people are very much you can say the responsible persons about their cleaning. And if I show you here, everything is available here. Is kind of the detail of the washlet is mentioned here, and this is the wash basin. Everything is available here. It's kind of face wash and shampoo and body soap. And I'm going to show you the curtain over here around this wash tub. Actually, if you want to take a bath, there are some towels as well. You can use this tub for taking a bath. And these two actually tabs are one is for cold water, and the other maybe the blue one is for cold water, and the red one is for hot water. And this is a shower which is usually used for taking a bath. And this is, yeah, this washroom is really amazing, neat and clean. And this is also a dust box placed here. Oh my god. So this is all about the washroom. Wherever I go, actually, I always find these kind of neat and clean washrooms. Not only the washrooms, actually, the rooms are neat and clean. This thing actually shows the responsibility, the culture of Japan as well. So thank you so much. I think that you have enjoyed this video, and this is just for motivation, that how can we keep ourselves clean, how can we can keep our rooms neat and clean like this. I've shown you the example. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do subscribe our channel as well. Sayonara, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.